Hi friends, this is Bandi Nagarjuna and you are watching NGN Study Circle. Today I bought a notification from Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Educational Institution Society, Gurukulam, Hyderabad. It is purely outsourced based CBSE teaching post. So they are engaging teaching faculty on part-time outsource basis, and teachers has to teach a CBSE syllabus in a temporary basis, and application will be started from 10th. Actually it is started, and the last date is 24th 6th. It is main important point. Last date is 24th June. You should note down that matter. And next, the subjects, if you take almost all subjects: Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, General Science, Social Studies. Along with that, art, craft, music teachers, librarians, technical assistants. Here the important matter for you is the subject teachers who are selected for this post. Remuneration is very high. That subject teacher will get 30,000 per month for this contract or outsourcing based jobs, and art, craft, music and librarian teachers are also having 20 plus salary, but technical assistant they may get 17,000 per month. But a good opportunity for the subject teachers who are qualified at TET or CTET. Here what I am saying is lot of members in our Telangana having doubt about that whether CTET is mandatory for this application of this post or not. Actually I can conclude that here clearly given that CTET or TET, anyone if they are eligible they can apply for this post. I will show you that in the later. We can continue this one. Next, here some institutions given, various institutions at Palvancha, Indalvai, Gundugulpalli, Gundala, Bayaram, Utnur, Kalvakurti at Jedcherla, Sirpur T, Tekulapalli, Kuravi, Sirolu, Ellaredipeta, here only near our Jagitya. Actually it is in Sirsilla district. Marrimadla, Balanagar, Gandhari, Narnoor. All of these institutions have each 10 posts and each subject 1 related posts. And actual eligibility for this posts you can know degree with at least 50% marks concerned subjects, and TGT Telugu, third language as a Telugu subject they should complete in their degree. Next, TGT Hindi as a subject in 3 years, TGT English as a subject in 3 years at a degree level, and TGT Social Studies if you come any two of the following: history, geography, economics and political science. Next, TGT Maths at graduation one of the following as a second subject: physics, chemistry, electronics, computer science, economics, commerce, stats. Only one of the following as a second subject for TGT Maths. Next, if you come to TGT Science, at their bachelor degree any two subjects of the following: botany, geology and chemistry. Besides this, very important work eligibility is a B.Ed, Bachelor of Education is mandatory. Along with that they have given those who passed in Central TET, they are eligible for this post. Those who are not qualified in CTET they are given a chance here, because here clearly mentioned that CTET or TET, CTET or TET. You can clearly observe that matter, CTET or TET. So no need to get any confusion. Who are qualified in TET also they can apply for this post. Next, proficiency in teaching English is mandatory. obviously these schools are CBSE syllabus based, so compulsory English medium teaching is mandatory. Proficiency in English is a must. And desirable candidates, if they have experience, they will get compulsory job in KVS, Kendriya Vidyalaya, and Navodaya Vidyalaya, such type of CBSE public schools. If they have experience, they will compulsory get a chance here. Next, art and craft teachers, they should complete their Bachelor of Fine Arts or Diploma in Fine Arts, painting, drawing, such kind of. Next, music teacher, senior secondary certificate with 50% marks, or intermediate related to music subject, 50% marks, or a degree or master degree in music. And here some desirable candidates should have application knowledge of computers, and here experience they have mentioned 3 years for as a music teacher. Next, technical assistant, they should complete their degree in IT, information technology, or BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, from recognized university with 60% marks. With 60% marks, and here they asked experience also, 2 years related experience. If they don't have that, at least first class diploma in computer science or IT or electronics, experience must 2 years here. Next, librarian, if you take degree in library science, okay, or diploma in library science also eligible. Next, experience, here ask 2 years or 1 year certificate course in a computer application also, they are also eligible. Next, very important note that retired teachers age limit up to 65 for them. Next, submission of applications through online only, there is no physical format shall be entitled. Next, if you come to the selection process, other important notes, you can submit your application through www.tgtwgurukulam.telangana.gov.in. just paying fee of 50 rupees. It is a very good decision taken by these institutions. They are not going to collect much amount from the unemployed youth. Just you can pay the 50 rupees for this application, and you can upload your degree certificate as concerned subjects related, and next TET or CTET related, and whatever you have experience in various schools, that also you can upload. And next, one photo and one signature, and with compressed size limited KBs. Okay, compulsory apply for this post, because remuneration for subject teacher is 30,000 per month. Okay, nowadays due to corona, lot of teachers are suffering lot of, it is one opportunity for them. Try to apply for this. All the best. Thank you for watching this video.